So I'm Nate Sibinga. I'm a PhD student at Cornell, and this is my project basically working on alternative feed ingredients for fish farming. So one of the big problems in fish farming is that fish meal is an overused resource that is not sustainable and is now not cost-effective either. So finding cost-effective alternatives to fish meal is a priority for fish farmers and sustainability. The idea of this project is to use housefly larvae raised on dairy cow manure as a novel feed source for rainbow trout. So housefly larvae have about a 1-week growing cycle from egg to third stage larva. They will self-harvest from manure. At that point, you get a high-quality larva meal, which is about 56% protein and 17% fat. We incorporated that into a number of diets for trout, where we replaced varying amounts of plant alternative ingredients with larva meal to compare insect ingredients to existing alternatives. These were fed to trout for 8 weeks. Over the course of the experiment, we had high survival and increased growth in the highest inclusion of the insect larva meal. We also had preliminary evidence that there were kind of immune stimulatory effects of the insect larva, which is potentially useful for increasing disease resistance in the fish. And overall, the kind of preliminary data suggests that this is a promising alternative to existing ingredients. So kind of future directions will be looking at ways to process the larva meal and improve nutritional quality. There is also another SARE project that I'm working on, which is to work on increasing the production of larvae on site at dairy farms. And then we're going to keep pushing this question of immune stimulation and kind of health of the fish. Overall, this should provide links between the dairy industry and the fish farming industry and increase sustainability of both. We get sustainable waste management for the dairy farms, and we get sustainable feed inputs for fish farmers.